Hey everyone, Tim Schofield here. It's time to take another look at just about the best Android phone you can get that has a physical keyboard, and that is the Blackberry Key2. And what makes this one so special is it's a special edition red version. Now in pictures, this color variant looks really cool with that red and black accent, so I'm excited to open it up, see it in person. Real quick, show you what's in the box and get some hands-on with the red edition Blackberry Key2. Oh, and cannot forget, as much as I might like this color variant, I'm giving away this phone. Yes, this very one I have in my hand right now, partnering with BlackBerry to do giveaways, so shout out to BlackBerry for providing the unit for us, and one lucky person anywhere in the world can win it. It's very easy to enter, just go through Gleam. I will link to it down below. You really don't have to do anything to enter, just put in some information. Gleam will select the winner at random. You can get some extra entries with social entries, subscribing, following, all that good stuff. So just click the link below if you are interested in winning the red edition Blackberry Key2. Let's get started on the unboxing. Here is the red edition Blackberry Key2, 128 gigs of internal storage, 6 gigs of RAM. If you're looking for some other specs as well, here they are on the back: 1080p display, 3500 mAh battery, Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 processor, and some more. I will also link to this phone down in the description if you're interested in checking it out. And as you can see, the box is custom with that black and red look to it. Let's go ahead and open up the box, and right away, take a look at that red. Actually a little bit brighter than I thought it was going to be. Let's go ahead and set it to the side for just a second. And as always, quickly show what comes in the box, what you could potentially be winning. It looks like some custom earbuds. These are actually red and black ones. Really cool that they kind of made that a special edition as well. Always worth pointing out the 3.5mm headphone jack, because there is one in the phone right there. Another nice perk of this phone. And of course you got your USB Type-A to USB Type-C cable along with your BlackBerry AC adapter. Finally, you have your SIM ejection tool and a bunch of different booklets. All right, so let's move on to the phone. Looks like there are some stickers to take off and a screen protector as well. And we are good to go. Let's go ahead and power this on for the first time and check out and take a closer look at that actual color while it boots up. Now, a close look at the physical keyboard, of course, because you'll be using it so much. Just looks really neat with that red and black accent to it. Almost when the light hits it, it has a little bit of an orange tint, not like a crazy amount. It looks more orange through the viewfinder than it does in person. Flipping it over on the back, you will see there is some texture to it for some added grip. Just a bit of a softer touch feel to it, which is completely black with a completely surrounding red accent. Of course, headphone jack. Left side is your SIM slot and micro SD card slot if you want to expand that 128 gigs. 128 gigs is still a lot. USB-C slot with some speakers. And then on the right side is where all of your buttons are. Shortcut button, you have your power button with added texture to it, which I always like when manufacturers do that. And black volume rockers. So you'll see the volume rockers and the convenience key is actually a little bit darker than the power button. Pretty much completely black. Now that we've booted up, here's a close look at the display with, of course, black bezels. Something noteworthy about this phone is that the spacebar actually has a fingerprint scanner built into it, so you could just go ahead and set your finger on the spacebar to unlock your phone. Really convenient. It's on the front. It doesn't really show because, of course, if you're gonna have a physical keyboard, you need to have buttons anyway, so pretty intuitive to integrate the fingerprint scanner in the spacebar. As you can see, I went ahead and added it. I can add another, probably my other thumb, maybe even a pointer finger if I have it sitting on my desk. We'll see, but I'm gonna skip in for now. Now, in case you were wondering, you can actually stand this phone up on its own. Definitely don't recommend doing that, but let's go ahead and test out that fingerprint scanner. Let's go ahead and set my thumb down, and that actually was really quick, gives you some vibration feedback. You do not need to press the space bar, but if you do press the space bar, no big deal, still unlocks it really quick, real snappy. Now, personally, I'm a big fan and have a soft spot for physical keyboards, as my first Android phone actually had one, so I really like typing it. I like the feedback that you get, knowing you can kind of type without looking and really know what keys you're pressing. So let's go ahead and type a little bit. Hey everyone, how are you? It does take me about a week to get back into it, but you'll see you do have suggestions, word correction, all of that. course, this keyboard's very functional. Not only can you type on it, you can press this microphone for voice activation, but also a shortcut key. So if you go ahead and press this icon right here, it is actually called a speed key, where you can assign specific shortcuts to quickly jump between apps. Finally, the keyboard can actually act as a touchpad, so you'll see I'm swiping between pages. You can do other gestures as well with the trackpad. So a lot that goes into this phone, well thought out with a keyboard as well, and of course dual cameras on the back. But that's just about it for now. Really good looking phone. I'm a big fan. Jealous of whoever wins this, because this is a sleek looking phone, especially of course with that red and black combo. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to drop a comment. Be sure to go enter in the giveaway now. Link is down below. And of course, as always, everyone, thanks for watching.